Waterhouse women. They grabbed the second of three trophies on offer this season after they demolished first-time finalist Railma Bay 9-2 in the JFF Women's Football Knockout Final at the Jerusalem Stadium on Saturday.
In front of a fairly sized crowd at their home, the unbeaten Waterhouse women showed no mercy on the visiting Railma Bay team, who were playing in their first national final. With only 2 minutes on the clock, Latoya Dehaney fired Waterhouse in front from an acute angle. And before the early celebration could settle down, Railma Bay's goaltender Brianna Coleman was again retrieving the ball from the net after a fourth-minute strike from Rochelle Gray. Dehaney added Waterhouse's third by beating Coleman from a tight angle in the 12th minute. With the Jerusalem-based team in full flight, Chantel Bailey added goal number 4 in the 20th minute. Bailey then skied another opportunity after being teed up by Takesha Small. She, however, quickly made amends by scoring her second and Waterhouse's fifth in the 33rd minute. The frequency of trip to the back of the net took a toll on Coleman, and she had to be convinced by her coach to continue. On the stroke of half-time, she had to make yet another such journey as Dehaney again beat her at her near post to complete a first-half hat-trick and Waterhouse's sixth. Bailey grabbed her hat-trick 4 minutes after the resumption to make it 7-0. There was a bright spark for the St. James team in the 69th minute when Elizabeth Vassell got Mobay's first to make it 7-1. That joy was short-lived as substitute Jessica Johnson rifled home Waterhouse's 8th goal in the 72nd minute. Bailey then outsmarted the Railma Bay back line to complete a four-timer 3 minutes later to make it 9-1. Showing her class, the former national player Jodie Ann McGregor held off a strong challenge to add a second for Railma Bay 12 minutes before the end. The win gave Waterhouse title number 2 for the season after capturing the mid-season trophy earlier in the season.
Again, it was mission accomplished. We have a perfect warm-up. You understand? And from the get-go, the girls were ready, sharp, and eager to get the result out from the get-go.
We didn't start out like we came to play. Today we started playing like it was just the kick-off of the league. You know, we just getting the butterflies out of our stomach. So, you know, I'm lost for words right now.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.